What's up, guys? I'm pretty sure this is episode 6. We got the backhoe and we're gonna start demoing the trailer out. I'm just gonna start with the porch, and then, you know, throughout the weekend we're just gonna tear everything apart, get into a nice pile that we can start hauling pieces off of. But got the backhoe, and enjoy the video of me ripping this place apart. Alright, backhoe did not go as planned. That happened a couple weeks ago, and we've just been cleaning it out with this dump trailer. So, yeah, we're pretty fucked. I don't really know. I'm just gonna keep cleaning it up little by little as we go. Haven't really been filming it because this hasn't really gone the way I planned, but start filming it again. No good. No bueno.